Hi, this is Larry. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is video 1 of video 2. There's a second one which will show you how to convert your winch over. This is the winch that went bad. The motor went bad. I converted over. I use a Ryobi Drill. And this is a demo showing how it actually works. Now I'm using the drill on speed 1, which is slow. You can use it on 2 or 3, which will make it faster. Other than that, this video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm not going to talk through the whole thing. But I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. On a word of caution, always check your steel cable. Make sure it's not frayed or damaged. Always check the connectors on the end, the hooks and stuff. Make sure that everything is secure. And always use a long extension so that you don't have to be right next to the winch in case the cable was to ever snap on you. Just want you to be safe. Thank you. Have a great day.